Hello friends, welcome back to Kitchen for Healthy Living. Today we are going to learn how to control our weight, that is weight management. If you are not having a weighing scale at home, it is very important you get one. It's very important to get one because that is the only means or only way for you to be checking your weight, whether you are increasing or you are decreasing, or whether you've reached to the exact weight you want. Yes, because when you realize that your weight has increased, that means there could have been something you have added in your meals, that you really need to watch out so that you will not grow more, so that the size will not grow more or your weight will not grow more. Okay, for weight management, I have some items here I have to mention, and I will tell you the way to use them and the health benefit for each of and every one of them. Number one is ginger. Ginger is very, very good. It's good for cold, not just only for weight management. Yeah, it suits cold and also throat symptoms and the belly fat. It helps also in belly fat. Then it's full of anti-inflammation and the antimicrobial and the antibacterial content. So it's very good for digestion, good for nausea, good for a lot of things. So if you have not been making use of ginger, start to use ginger. Okay, yeah, you can use ginger as a tea. You can always be putting it in the food. When you're about eating your food, you can just scoop like half small spoon, like this spoon. You can put half of it and sprinkle it around the food and use the food. Or because you are trying to handle weight, you get it, you can combine all these things. I am going to mention them. Number one is ginger, number two is turmeric, number three is cinnamon, number four is fenugreek, number five is cayenne pepper, and number six green tea and the lemon water. Like I mentioned earlier on, lemon water is very, very good. When you wake up every early morning, make sure first assignment you do is to take natural water first. After taking natural water, then the next thing you can take is squeezed lemon water. Squeezed lemon water. This is your lemon, and you squeeze some in your cup. Are you getting me? And drink. You make sure you dilute it well. If you are having ulcers, you start it little. Yes, you start with some drops. Let the system get used of it before you continue. So this is our healthy nut. Yes, this is our healthy nut, combo nuts. We have a lot here, all manner of nuts, Brazil nut, hazelnut, walnut, and peanuts, and the others I've mentioned. I will not go back again to the health nuts, but why I brought healthy nuts again today is because when you are doing weight management, you have to have your nuts around you. I mean the healthy ones. All nuts are not healthy. Are you getting me? Yes, so you get your nuts around so that in between when you are feeling hungry, you can keep chewing this and taking a lot of water. You need water in your system. Okay, so this is healthy nut. This is cayenne powder. Cayenne pepper powder is very, very healthy. It helps a lot. Yes, it can help to control your metabolism. It increases the metabolism and fat burning. Yes, and may aid weight loss, like I've just mentioned. And it's full of vitamin C and A, and it has B6 also. It can improve insulin sensitivity and relieves cold symptoms. Many people are taking this nowadays because of the health benefit. Cayenne. You can just put a spoon of cayenne, dissolve it with your honey. Yeah, if you are the type that likes honey. If you don't like honey, you do it with lemon and you take it alone. Remember I mentioned that we are going to combine all this because we are looking at controlling our weight. Are you getting me? Then this is turmeric. Turmeric is a twin to ginger. They do almost the same thing. They do almost the same work. So fenugreek is also very good. Yeah, so all these things, when you combine them, how do you make them? This is cardamom, sorry, this is cardamom. Cardamom is superb, it's very, very healthy also. I will still mention about cardamom when I am about to talk about cholesterol control. Okay, so, and this is soya. Okay, these ones I will mention them later on. Now let's handle this one first. Have you seen? These are things you need for your weight loss, for your weight loss, for your weight management, for your weight management. And if you're living a life without taking good care of your body, what do you expect? The body will collapse one day. It's just like making use of a vehicle without servicing that vehicle. One day the vehicle will pack up because it has not been taken good care of. Your total wellness, are you getting me? Is my concern. Your total overall wellness is my concern. That's why I am taking my time to teach all these things. So when you get all these things, you put them. This is it. Have you seen the spoon I'm using? Yeah, you put, this is hot. You get it, you have had the name pepper. Yeah, but after mixing, the hotness reduces. And this is ginger. Okay, you use the same measurement, half of your teaspoon. Yeah, that is it. Then you get your turmeric. Have you seen it? You measure again, half of your spoon. Then we have cinnamon. Let me show you cinnamon. Remember I mentioned cinnamon. This is cinnamon. It's in a stick form. You get it. So you put cinnamon. Have you seen? You put some quantity you want inside all this you are mixing. Yeah, you put some quantity you want. Yeah, this is cinnamon. Okay, then after mixing all this, if you want, you boil it like a tea. Okay, if you don't want to boil it as a tea or like a tea, you can take it the way now you have seen me with distilled water. Yeah, you just turn properly and that's it. That is it. When you do this, bet you me, when you do this consecutively for 1 month, my friend, people will start asking you, how did you reduce to this size? Okay, so these are things we use to reduce weight, you know, we use for weight management. Let me put it that way. Remember lemon. Remember lemon. I told you start with lemon. And after mixing all this, you cut your lemon, you squeeze some drops of lemon as you want. If you like, you can finish the whole of this lemon. Lemon is an immune booster. It's very, very good for health. Okay, so that is it today for weight management. Should I repeat what I have mentioned earlier on? I mentioned ginger, I mentioned turmeric, those are the ingredients. I mentioned cinnamon, I mentioned fenugreek, cayenne pepper, and green tea. Yes, and the lemon water So thank you so much for joining me. Like I mentioned earlier on, stick to healthy living, dear friend. Stick to healthy living so that you won't keep spending money in hospitals. And I want to give us this advice. Once in a while, you go for body checkup. Go for body checkup. The way we do once in a while, take the vehicle for servicing. Are you getting me? Once in a while, go for body checkup, save the money. If you don't have that money, start to save it. You can do it twice in a year or thrice in a year. It depends on how rich you are and how you value your health, so that if you notice anything, you start to fight it naturally before you start to be bombarded with drugs. Then another thing is also rest. Have you seen rest does a lot in our system? Don't overuse your body to the extent that the organs and systems will start crying, please deliver me. Okay, thank you so much for joining me, and please keep subscribing to this platform, I beg you, and keep linking, connecting people. And when you subscribe, you like, you lift your thumb so that we know that we are moving forward. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you.